How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. Thanks so much for joining me in today's Avalanche video. We're going to be going over some metrics and data that we need to be paying attention to as we move forward in this market. Before we go over that though, I have a couple of announcements. First up, yesterday, Travis posted a brand new future forecast video. This is going to show you new data that Vanguard and BlackRock are secretly buying into Bitcoin right now by gobbling up huge quantities of certain Bitcoin stocks that hardly anyone knows about. Based on this data, I am confident some of you will make more money in these stocks than in Bitcoin itself, and in this video, Travis will explain why. On top of that, with our trade setups, we are now, look at this, 67 wins, 0 losses, and there are 12 active trades open for our members. You can get access to both of these along with the metrics I'm about to show you with the membership at the links in the description down below. More on that later. Now, this was a user requested video. Thank you so much, Chris. We love hearing from you. And keeping that in mind, if you ever want to see a video about any of these coins that I'm showing you right now, please feel free to tell me in the comments down below. I'd be happy to cover them for you, but for today, we're going to be looking at Avalanche, with the first metric we're looking at being the Avalanche Emotional Index. Avalanche has been trending down for a very long time. It's actually really unfortunate to see. In fact, we recently hit the bear market bottom for Avalanche this year. Now, we did get a small pump, but this pushed us up into neutral territory, and recently, whenever we reach into neutral territory, this has resulted in drops. Typically, the higher you are on this chart, the more likely you are to see the price drop. So this is honestly looking a little bit bearish for Avalanche. Next, we need to be looking at the Avalanche Volatility Breakout Detector. Whenever we see drops into the breakout zone, this is where we're seeing crazy volatility in the market. We just barely, not quite, but almost made it into the breakout zone here, and we saw a crazy move up. We're seeing the breakout detector drop again, so we could be seeing big moves soon. Next, you need to look at the Avalanche Whale Smart Money metric. Whales look like they are leaning towards short trade sentiment on AVAX. Now, it's not until we see around a negative 800 value that we're really looking for those drops, but as long as whales are bearish, I am too. Next, we need to be looking at the Avalanche major support and resistance levels. Our lowest posted level at $10.61 is currently a structure resistance. We've already had multiple candles open and close below this, so this is an official breakout, and this candle is now retesting and appears to be rejecting the structure resistance, and this could create another new low for Avalanche in 2023. This next metric is actually really interesting. On the Bitfinex exchange, we're seeing long trades increase and short trades decrease, both of which are bearish, and we saw those moves up to correlate. Now, if this trend of long trades increasing and short trades decreasing continues, this is likely very bullish for Avalanche. So this is the one metric that contradicts everything else we were looking at. Last but not least is the Avalanche trade signals chart. We got a strong buy signal. This perfectly correlated to a move up. Very happy to see that. Now we're going to be looking for a sell signal. Whenever we see these, this is where we're seeing drops back down in the market. So if we see a sell signal at the recent top, I can almost guarantee a drop is incoming. So be on the lookout for that as we are facing some very bearish metrics for Avalanche. Now, I know this isn't what you were wanting to hear. Avalanche is looking honestly kind of scary. If you saw my Bitcoin video this morning, things are looking pretty bearish there too. I'm kind of worried about it. And as this plays out, you need to be paying attention to these metrics. You can get access to these. You can get access to our trade setups. Right here, 67 wins, 0 losses. You can get access to our future forecast videos. You can access our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the membership's going to be the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our membership page. You need to be paying attention to all of this, whether it's the Morning Brew overview, the future forecast videos, the scalping trade calls. These are money-making features. Your best trading days await. If you click subscribe now and join us, on top of all the crazy features I just showed you, you're going to get access to massive $450 off discount codes for our state-of-the-art indicators. Don't miss out. Click subscribe now, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident. We'll see you in the next video.